I've been working on cleaning up the frame up here in the front. This right here has a little WD on it. This has been cleaned afterwards. I know it's got to be wiped down before it's sprayed. Here you can see I've cleaned this off. That's what it used to look like. I'm also doing some research to see about a bushing kit, or if I want to just replace this with tubular. I'm not sure yet. Front sway, going to look at probably a steering box, maybe a column, but definitely bushings for both sides and all the way across the front, and actually a rear sway as well. But I want to work on dropping this transmission, which means getting the shifter out, that B&M slam shifter, and also removing the cross member that's back there in the back, and then getting the lines detached and getting this turbo 350 dropped out of here so that I have a little more clearance in here for cleanup, as well as some of the other things like the brake line that's on this side, and maybe the gas pedal linkage right here, and just stuff. So let's work on that. Okay, let me clean up some of this mess that I got going on in here. Yeah, not very organized, but I know where it goes. If not, I'll figure it out. Now look, fellas, as I said before, this isn't my normal thing. I just kind of do this when I have spare time in between work and family. Just got to get out and work on these things. They don't happen by themselves. Got to make it happen. Man, did I leave all this in here? Yes, I did. Sitting here looking at it. No one else to blame but me. Oh, tools. Gotta learn to pick up after I'm done. Gotta pick up after myself. Anywho's, let's see what we got going on here. Maybe? I'll be. Now, I don't know how this comes apart, but it can't be too difficult. Okay, here we are. We got a cotter pin or something in here. Yep. Little cotter pin. Stick that back in there. Pull that off of there. Couple flatheads. Sure is a beautiful day. Bad storms last night. Usually makes for a great day afterwards. Don't really want to get the power tool for this, but man, I'm just really starting to beat up the knuckles here. There she goes. Looking a little bent. This one probably is too. Oh yeah, good and bent. Don't know why. At least it's coming out. Oh, there goes the cat. Pay attention to what you're doing. This thing's bent. Gotta follow it. Gotta rotate. Don't know why. Whee! Well, there she is. So we've got linkage and a random screw. Just, I don't know what that's for. So, honestly, let's just undo this linkage here. Get this taken care of. Pull off the cotter pin. Got it. 7/16. Money. Cable's just fed through a hole in the floor. Literally just cut hole in the floor. Can I? Is there a point anywhere in here that this just slides off? Anywhere? It's a good possibility. Maybe if I had just left it on and pulled it, probably just snap right off. Good news is the transmission lines are already rotted out and gone. I just need to, that's the vacuum. Two transmission lines right here. Rotted out, fell off. It's fine. Okay, let's get this nasty old belt that's been holding this thing up for 9 years off. And come on. It won't come off. There it is. Okay, let's get this out of here. She's dripping a little bit. Heavy duty. ATV slash transmission jack here. Get it up under here to support this thing so I can get the bolts off. And she should slide right out. Now, if all goes well, there she is. Transmission. Nothing like a little mud dauber's nest in there. Ha! Get out of here. Oh, she's running out the back. Gonna have to clean up a mess. I just want to get this up here, and I can get the transmission jack out, get it back on there. But tipping it spilled some fluid. But hey, it's bright pink. Let me get you in here and show you. Look at that. Same color as the day it went in. Same. I didn't run this car for very long. Look what I'm doing to it. Down, 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 down. Don't hurt your back, guys. She's out. Well, I think that was successful. Got the transmission out. Gonna get the shifter out, but it's literally just 4 bolts on the ground. Gives me the clearance underneath the firewall and up front in the firewall to really get in here a little bit more to get this firewall cleaned up so that I can wipe it down, put some rust preventative spray on it, a little prep primer, and then prime it, and then give it a black coat. I want to get that whole front side done. That way when I go to paint, I don't have to worry about any of that. It'll be nice and protected. Gonna look at the suspension a little bit more, figure out which direction I'm going to go on that. And at that point, we'll take it from there. Look, if you enjoy what you're seeing, like, subscribe, give me suggestions, ask me questions. I don't mind. Just type it down there, comments below. Do appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in to Bent Rod Garage. Talk to you next time.